Now I will show how Punyam Academy can help you. We are the first organization having the experience of more than 50 different type of many technology-based inspection agencies also, and AI usage done by them in their inspection activities. Such experience we have used and prepared the document, more than 89 documents ready, Rekner, to have the refined good practices in your inspection activity. And this ready-made document with manual, procedure, exhibit, and everything covering total, you can see 67 files of approximately 300 pages, and around 250 audit questions are ready.